InstaDoodle review. Hey guys, this is Shan from InstaAcademy.com and welcome to my InstaDoodle review. So in this InstaDoodle review, I'll reveal what InstaDoodle is and how easy it is to create this kind of doodle animations with InstaDoodle. Plus, I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses as well for this InstaDoodle review. Now, before proceeding to our bonuses, I want you to know what InstaDoodle is in a nutshell. So in a nutshell, InstaDoodle is a cloud-based doodle creation software that can help you to create doodle videos without any expertise. It can be all done even if you are a beginner and there is nothing to install. The best part, InstaDoodle comes with unlimited videos rendering at a one-time small price. Now that being said, it comes loaded with a ton of features. As you can see over here on the left hand side, you can find all the different characters, you can find different props, you can find different fonts that you can include, you can upload your images, your own images, or you can use the images that are done for you. Apart from that, you can upload fonts, voiceovers, and you can also include background music. Now the best part over here is that you can drag and drop these props into your scenes and you can adjust their height, width, position, whatever you wish to, their timing. You can add your own text. You can actually have them with your own brand colors. You can customize them as well. And overall, the look and feel is quite premium. The best part, you can add slides, you can add characters, you can add props, and you can create as many videos as you want to of unlimited length. It can help you to render unlimited videos at a one-time small price. Now, it doesn't stop over here. What makes InstaDoodle best is that it has an AI engine called the Doodle AI that helps you to find props. Now, if there are no props available in the done for you section, you can just instruct the AI engine to create an element for you exactly like the ones that you need. Say, for example, you want to create a cow dressed up like a businessman juggling pineapples, just for an example, right? So it's impossible to have it in the library. So if you hit on generate, it goes ahead and creates the variations. Now you can go ahead and choose the best one out of them, right? Now let us think more of a practical situation like a teacher writing on whiteboard with kids around, and you can see these are the kind of things that you get. You can one click add them to your library. So as you can see, the opportunities are endless over here with InstaDoodle. But then I hope that you are interested to know more about InstaDoodle. Don't worry, I'm going to launch in the InstaDoodle demo right now. But before that, I have got you covered with some awesome custom bonuses for InstaDoodle review. Now, if you wish to check them out anytime during this InstaDoodle review or after watching this InstaDoodle review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, if you scroll down, you can find any and every info that you want to about InstaDoodle, and you can check out this at your own time. I'm not going through all of this because I'm going to give you a complete demo. Then once you scroll further down, you can get this bonus section. Now, my bonuses are awesome. First of all, I've given you T-Design Bundle Pro, which contains over 5 lakh plus done for you t-shirt designs and mockups in 27 best-selling niches. Apart from this, I've given you 2 of my best-selling Udemy courses, which are one of the highest rated courses on Udemy on faceless automation, which shows you how you can rank your doodle videos right on top of YouTube, and you can claim money from that as well. Apart from this, I've given you 100 courses with reseller rights, 100 softwares with reseller rights, 57 done for you websites. I've given you Central Seller Profit Pro. I've given you 65k done for you reels. Apart from that, I've given you 700 plus PPT templates, and there is a funnel builder kind of software as well. Now, these are the bonuses that you get even if you pick up only the front end, which is going to cost you only $37 one-time price. Now, I have a couple of recommended upgrades. If you happen to buy them, that means you are a serious kind of user of InstaDoodle. So I would give you even more bonuses so that you can use them. Now, these include some premium bonuses like one-click AI sites that can help you to generate websites from a single prompt, right? Apart from that, I'm also going to give you 30 premium tools website with their white level and source code that you can deploy anywhere that you want to. You can find the 30 apps over here as well. Now, going to the next thing, I'm going to give you Doodle Builder Animation Pro. This contains over 3,000 plus doodle characters, props, and assets. These you can readily import within your InstaDoodle and bring a wow effect to your doodle videos. Apart from this, I'm also going to give you Vid Builder AI Pro that can help you to create videos with the power of AI. I'm also going to give you Vid Animate Pro. I'm also going to give you all-in-one development bundle, which contains over 3,500 plus apps which are done for you. Then I'm also going to give you all-in-one e-com bundle with over 5,000 plus winning products. I'm also going to give you 675 GB worth of graphics as well. Now, apart from this, there are also many other softwares. As you can see, all of these are cloud-based software. These are graphic software, video marketing software, and any kind of software that you can imagine. So that being said, there are plenty of bonuses on my bonus page, so I can't go through each of them in this short InstaDoodle review. So I do urge you to please go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page and check out for yourself how premium my bonuses are. So that being said, now it's time for an InstaDoodle demo. demo. So let's head over to our InstaDoodle and let me show you how you can build magical doodle videos with InstaDoodle. But once we come back, I'll be disclosing the pricing and I'll be also disclosing the upgrades that it has. So stay tuned till the end of this InstaDoodle review. Hey, welcome to the InstaDoodle demo within the InstaDoodle review. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like. Now, if you scroll down over here, there are plenty of tutorials, right? But after watching this little demo, I don't think you would ever need the tutorial. But if ever you are stuck, you can always refer to them, right? So that being said, you can see over here, I have created a couple of doodle videos already. And now it's time for me to create one right in front of your eyes. So let's go ahead and click on this plus icon and this will create a new video for us. So there are two ways of creating video. One is the manual mode in which you need to do all the heavy lifting. And the other one is the AI Wizard. But then again, the AI Wizard is not available at the front end. So I'm going to first show you the manual mode. So let's go ahead and click on next. And in here, you can see these are the few templates that we have. So you can go ahead and actually choose any one of them. Say, for example, I want to choose this one. So I can just select this. And then in here, I can select the aspect ratio as well. That's again up to me. And then once done, I'll click on next. Now, as soon as I do so, you can see it has been loaded over here. And this is our template that has been loaded. Now you can go ahead and edit them, right? It's very easy to do that. Say, for example, if I want to change the text, I can just click over here and here you can find the text. So you can just change it to whatever you want to. Say, for example, InstaDoodle review, just for an example, right? So you can do that. Now in here, you have the style from where you can change the fonts, you can change the color, you can change anything and everything that you want to. You can see there is everything that is over here. And then you have this animation type as well. Now in here, you can go ahead and change the animation like handwrite or draw or wipe, anything that you wish to. So it's very easy to actually work with. You can go ahead and make these changes over here. If you want to add a character to it, you can just click on this and this character would be added. As you can see over here, the character has been added over here. So once you have done this, you can just play this and you can see this is being played over here. So this is how exactly these things appear, right? So there you go. Finally, the character that I had added is coming up. So in this way, you can go ahead and make your changes. You can add characters from here. You can add props from here. There are plenty of props. If you're not finding anything relevant, you can go ahead and generate with AI as well. That's absolutely doable. If you want to upload your own images or own props, you can do that as well. That's also doable. Now, remember, I'm giving you Doodle Assets Pro with over 3000 plus Doodle assets. So you can go ahead and upload them over here as well. So that being said, that's how easy it is. I'm not going to spend too much time over here because I'm going to show you how the AI Wizard works because that is where the real magic happens. But then if you want to do everything by your own hands from the scratch, you can go ahead and do that as well. As I've shown you, you can go ahead and actually make changes over here. You can change these characters. You can just click on them and you can see the character is available over here. Now you can just click on these three dots and then you can bring them forward, backward. You can flip them horizontal like this. You can flip them vertical as well. But this would look good if I flip it vertical. But however, I just wanted to show you that this is possible. You can even go ahead and edit the image as well if you want to. That is completely doable as well. So there are plenty of things that you want to do and you can play around with this software at your own time. It's a pretty amazing one to have. Now, I'm not going to waste too much time over here. Let's go ahead and actually explore the AI Wizard feature that it has. So for that, I'm going to go back to our dashboard. So for that, I'll just click on save over now and I'll go back to the dashboard. So in here, I'm going to create a brand new thing and this time we are going to use AI Wizard. So just click on that and click on next. Now you have a total thing like an idea to a video or a script to a video. If you have a script, you can actually add them over here and it can create the video for you. Or even shorter, you can add an idea over here and it would convert it into a video as well. So let's actually explore this idea to video part. Now say for example, I'm going by the suggested ideas like the evolution of dinosaurs. Just for an example, this kind of videos always draws a lot of traction. So in here, I can click on generate script. Now you can do the same thing with ChatGPT as well. You can take help of ChatGPT, Claude or any other tools like that to generate your script. And then you can fit it over here as well. It's all the same thing, but then this actually does everything for you. You can see over here, the script has been generated. So you can see it's a quite long script that it has generated. It's a quite good looking one. So I'm going to go with it, right? So let's click on next. As soon as I clicked on next, you can see it's generating the slide with AI relevant to your script. So let's wait a little and boom, you can see it has divided the entire script into slides. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. And if we actually go down over here, you can see it has got it covered with 7 slides, right? Now you can make changes over here as well. That's totally up to you. You can also see the image prompt that is going to be used to create the image which is going to be featured on that slide. right? If you want to change that, you are free to do that as well. Now, once this is done, I'm going to click on next. Now in here, we can choose the style of our video. You can see there are plenty of styles available. So we can go ahead and choose any one of them. Say, for example, the business one, and click on next. And in here, you have plenty of voices. Just take a look at their quality.
Hello, I'm Delilah. With my voice, your voiceover can be both powerful and sincere. Whether you need authority, warmth, or a blend of both, I've got...
You can see that it has got emotions.
Hey, I'm Zachary.
It has
Ready
got
to pump up your next
expressions,
voiceover?
and it's more like close to human, right? So we can go ahead and choose one. And then in here, you can just turn on this create AI voiceover, and you just need to click on create project, and boom, it's done. Less than a minute that you require to create instant doodle videos. So that's why the name is appropriate, InstaDoodle as well. And as we speak, you can see it's 50% done. So let's wait a little, and boom, you can see over here, this is quite amazing. Like the slide that has been produced, it has only produced the first slide, and it is going on and producing the other slides as well. So we just need to wait a little, and boom, as you can see, it has created the slides. Now let's play one, because we need to understand how the AI fared. So just play this.
Dinosaurs, giants of the past. Their reign began over 230 million years ago during the Triassic period. They first evolved from a group of reptiles known as archosaurs. These early dinosaurs were small, bipedal creatures.
So you can see it's quite quality. I must admit that, right? I didn't have to actually sweat a single thing over here. It was all done by the AI. Now, that being said, you have the freedom to customize it in the way that you want to. Say, for example, in the first slide, that is this one, I want to add a character, just for an example. So what I can do is that I can come over to character, and then I can search for a character. Say I want a small boy pointing, but you can see it's not being able to find anything over here. So what we can do is that we can generate this with AI. So let's go ahead and actually try this. So I've given like a small boy pointing his finger towards right side, right? I don't want 4 variation. I can just create 1 variation. That would be enough. I could have created 4 variations as well, because that would have saved time, but I'm pretty sure the AI would be able to generate a good one. So let's wait. And there you can see it has generated it, right? So we can just click on add. And as you can see, it has been added on our library. Now we can add this just like this by clicking. And you can see it has been added over here. So what I can do now is that I can place it over here, or I can place it over here as well. And then I can click on these 3 dots, and I can flip it horizontal, just like this, right? So this works. Now I can make it a little bigger, just like this. And you can see this now appears quite amazingly, right? So now what if I play this slide, then you would see that this boy would appear at the very last of the slide, because I had added it as the last element.
Dinosaurs, giants of the past. Their reign began over 230 million years ago during the Triassic period. They first evolved from a group of reptiles known as archosaurs. These early dinosaurs were small, bipedal creatures.
So you can see that, right?
However,
so that's exactly what my point is. Now, if you want to actually change the order in which appears, you can just come over to this layers. You can see over here layers, right? And in here, you can see the small boy. So what you can do is that you can actually drag it like this. Like I want it after the dinosaurs, right? After this drawing of dinosaur, I want this guy. So I have just dragged it over here. Now, you can not only do that, you can actually change the advanced things like the line weight, the color, the blur, the animation type, all of that can be done. Say, for example, instead of drawing, I want it an animation like, say, wipe, just for an example. And then if I play this, you would see a subtle change in the way that it appears and in
Dinosaurs,
the order that it appears.
Giants
so
of
let's
the past.
watch out
Their
that.
reign began over 230 million years ago during the Triassic period. They first evolved from a group of reptiles known as archosaurs.
So you can see that,
These
right?
early dinosaurs.
So this is exactly how controlled it can be. You can add your stuffs, and then you can control exactly where it appears, when it appears, and the size of it, height of it. Everything is customizable, yet you don't need to do anything from scratch. So that is the power that this AI wizard brings to the table, right? Now, it doesn't stop over here. You can actually go ahead and do multiple things with it. One more thing that I want to show you over here is that if you go inside of this, if you just click on this slide, now one more thing that I want to tell you is that it adjusts the speed to auto align it with your slide time. So this is a very important fact. Say, for example, if I add more props into it, just let us do that. Let us come over to Doodles. And just for an example, let us add this dinosaur as well. Just for an example I'm doing. Then I've added more elements, right? It would take more time to draw. So it should exceed the voiceover time. But no, it won't happen. The drawing speed will change to accommodate it in the same time. So let's take a preview again.
Dinosaurs, giants of the past. Their reign began
So
over
look at this. The
230
writing has
million
become
years ago
faster.
during the Triassic
the generation
period.
speed of
They
each of the
first
drawing has
evolved from
become
a group of
faster.
reptiles
This has
known
been
as
done just to
archosaurs.
make sure that
These early dinosaurs
the
were
drawing
small,
doesn't actually
bipedal creatures.
let this slide go out of time, right? So it's all in sync. You don't need any manual thing over here. So that's a big thumbs up because that eliminates a lot of headaches, really. So a big thank you to InstaDoodle for this feature. Now, that being said, that's how you can do it. I have shown you the generate with AI thing. I have shown you how actually you can go ahead and edit this. Now, I've edited one of these slides. You can go ahead and edit every slide that you want to in the similar way. So it's very much doable. If you don't want a slide, you can delete it as well. If you want a duplicate slide, you can do that as well. So that's up to you. And you can see there's the complete timeline. So you can edit along the timeline as well. So that being said, that's how easy it is. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed the power that it has. Now, once it is done, all that you need to do is come over here and click on export. Once you click on export, you can see you have 4 options over here. These are available because I am a pro member as well. But if you are on the front end, you are going to get these 2 options, right? So let's go ahead and actually render this at 1080p. And once the rendering is done, you can actually download this as well. So let this rendering happen on its own and let us go back to the dashboard and let me show you how to download this. So as you can see, this rendering is going on, but these I had done previously. So if I click on any of these projects, you can see I can download this right from here because the rendering has been completed. So if I click on download, it would be downloaded. So let's wait for the download. And as you can see, it has been downloaded over here. So let's go ahead and play this.
The poor say, go to school, get a job, work hard. But the rich say, make money work for you. 2 dads, 2 mindsets. One taught me to chase a paycheck. The other taught me to build assets like
so look
real
at
estate,
this, right?
stocks,
So
and
this is
business.
exactly how your exported things would look like. Then you can go ahead and actually upload it anywhere that you wish to. So that being said, it brings me to an end of this InstaDoodle demo. And as you saw, the creativity level is unlimited. You can go ahead and add as many things that you want to. The auto sync feature allows you to do it in a breeze. And the best part, you don't need to worry about timing. You don't need to worry about sync. All of that is done automatically. So I really hope that you are itching to pick it up and add it to your armory. And if that is so, then why not via my link? Because I am giving you the best in class bonuses that you can have for InstaDoodle review. Now, if you wish to check out the InstaDoodle review bonuses once more, then all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would head over to the InstaDoodle sales page. That should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. You can check out everything that you want to. And once you like what you are seeing, you can click on any of these buttons. And as you can see, at $37 one-time price, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. You can see you can create unlimited videos with it. It has drag and drop editor. It has 1,000 plus doodle elements, 150 AI credits. All of that comes at only $37 one-time price. Now, that being said, this pricing is exclusive and this is for a very, very limited time. If you remember, Doodle, once it burst into the scene, it had also a one-time plan, but now it's recurring. So my friend, this is the best time to get inside of InstaDoodle because you can get it at a one-time small price because we don't know when exactly it's going to go recurring. So that being said, if you want to purchase it, you just need to click on this buy now button and boom, you can get access to InstaDoodle along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost. Now, to get all our bonuses, you just need to email us on this email ID as you can see over here, or you can contact us on our official WhatsApp number and you need to send us the purchase receipt. We will check if the transaction was done using our link. Now, if verified, we'll send you the bonuses right into your inbox. That being said, it has the pricing, as I told you, of only $37. And then there's an upgrade, which is the pro upgrade, which we recommend. It is priced at $97, but it gives you 3,000 plus doodle elements and characters. It gives you new drawing hands. It gives you turbocharged AI speed. And also it gives you the 4x variations. The best part, you can export videos onto 2K and 4K resolution as well. Plus you get all of these bonuses. So that's quite a good job to have. So I'm going to recommend this pro upgrade and definitely the AI Wizard upgrade. I've already shown you the power that it has. And at $67, it's a must included one, right? So I'm going to recommend this to upgrade. Apart from this, there is a few other upgrades like color splash is there, which I think is going to add colored doodle elements to your armory. Now, if you want to, you can take action on that. But my recommended upgrades are these two, right? Along with the front end. So that's all according to me. If you go by my recommendation on InstaDoodle review, then I'd say front end with the pro and the AI Wizard. And remember, if you are picking up all of these, then you are going to get all the bonuses on my bonus page. Now, let me come to an important point. Why choose InstaDoodle over other doodle tools like Doodle, like VideoScribe? First of all, the price point. Doodle, VideoScribe, all of them are recurring, right? So there is one clear winner on this, which is InstaDoodle. Secondly, even if they are monthly price, they don't have this AI builder, within them. So this also gives you a certain edge over them. Last but not the least, it has got nothing to install. All of that happens on the web. So no matter from which laptop or which computer you are doing, as long as the internet is there, you can continue working on InstaDoodle. So these features actually make InstaDoodle way better than these two tools, especially if you compare the price point. And I'm going to recommend it to all beginners and intermediates as well, so that you can produce massive things at a small one-time price. And remember, it comes with unlimited video rendering as well. So that being said, it brings me to an end of this InstaDoodle review. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this InstaDoodle review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye.